Coming down like an X scene. About to come back on my television like a zone train. About to come in on my code. Coming on my home. Coming like a virgin. About to come back on my code. Cause yo, this is my kingdom. I keep it real. Keep it from the old people. Keep it from my grills. Keep it from the old. Keep it from the new. Even though people that I really didn't know. So I kept it, drank it, even though I specked it. Even though it people dealt it, smelt it. Yo, this was just a vision of a vision eyes. So yo, bruh, you can kiss my eyes. So, you say this real. Coming from this Sweeney boy, coming from this grill. Yo, I'm from this school. Yo, this from my ill. Yo, you can spec me, but you really won't hate me. One rap, Uncle Josh? One rap? No? So, we expected from this beginning. Even though people always hated what from the beginning. So straight up from the hood. Straight up from these people, yo, they get shot up in this hood. So, we stay down. We stand up. Cause, yo, bruh, we don't give a what. So, we stand tough. And, yo, we stand strong. Cause, yo, even if we still wrong, we gotta go. And we gotta drew. So, we do what all people do. So, we stand home. So, we stand through. So, think about the people that you really knew. So, truly, this was a dream. Coming from a vision, nice boy from the mean. You can think about the people that you only knew. Because, yo, bruh, yo, this Sweeney boy grew. I'm trying to post this junk on YouTube. I ain't trying to do this. So we think about these people, yo, they in a riot. So bruh, of course I'm on diet. But yo, I'm feeling that pain in the sight. So we dying in the vein. Yo, people always die up in the same because yo, we in a vision. Killed it.